What's up and welcome back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be powder coating some parts gloss black and white for the Celica GT build that we're doing. So let's go ahead and get the video started. Some Celica parts about to get blasted and coated. This one's going to be special. It's on the front grille, or near the front grille. And it's going to go white first. First it needs blasted. Then it's going to go white. And then we're going to do something special with it. And it'll go black.
So there you have it. I did mess it up, so this bumper filler I will be redoing. I didn't even attempt to pull this side up because it all crinkled up because it got too hot. Scratched some black, scratched some white, but that's an easy piece to redo. So that's it for this part of the Celica build. This is my first time peeling the stickers off. I did scratch right here and right here. That's why I wanted to do it on my own stuff. Did scratch some of the white on there down to the metal. I need more practice. Did find out that, I'm not sure what this would be called, but this area had a lot of Bondo on it. And they made it look really nice to where I couldn't tell at all. Neither could Steve Thurlow, my dad. So that's gonna have to be replaced. Next to go, get powder coated is the bumper, the hood, and the fenders. And then after that, we gotta do the door and all the trim pieces.
Thank you for checking out the video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, go ahead and smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button down below and turn on all post notifications. That way you're alerted when we upload new content. See you in the next video. Peace.